Hi class, Exam 2 has been graded. By now many of you might have already opened up your Exam 2 and are not happy with your grades, and that is the topic in which I want to discuss right now with you. The assignment for your prepared essay, as I gave on the study guide, stated what were the two other options that were available to the United States to end the war, why were these other options not used. The decision to drop the bombs in Hiroshima and Nagasaki is as controversial today as it was in 1945. Do you think the government of the United States was justified knowing that there were two other options to end the war? Or why not? And I also state that you must mention the two other viable options. Those other options were in the interactive lecture. There were probably 5 or 6 video clips in which I used a documentary that used the declassified documents from World War II. All of those documents can be found on the Harry Truman Library. It is available because, or became available to the public. Hence, the Smithsonian tried to portray the history in all of its truthfulness, and of course there was that big backlash. The problem is that a lot of you did not watch the interactive lecture. Therefore, you did not answer the question correctly, and your grade reflects that. I know that this is upsetting to some, but please note you are responsible for the information in each of the interactive lectures. Also note that your final exam will be based on what is in those interactive lectures. Those that gave other options, it was indicative that you found sources elsewhere. One of the main sources that I found in some of the essays was that you went to Wikipedia and that you regurgitated what you found there in that essay, and you got that wrong because many history books and much of the world does not like to know what really happened with the dropping of those bombs on Nagasaki and Hiroshima. It is interesting that the rest of the world knows what happened, but a lot of the Americans are not prepared for the ambiguity of what actually happened, and what actually happened is in that interactive lecture. Now, I am tempted to give you guys a second chance for 25 points that I will add to your exam if you so choose. If you are interested in making up that essay, you will have to contact me via email. I will give everyone the same assignment, and I will give you an opportunity to answer the question correctly, but not for full credit. That essay was 35 points. There were about 4 people in this course that nailed it. I mean, did an exceptional job at answering that question. So if you are interested in making up that essay, please let me know, and we'll see where we can go from there.